Eufy Security Alarm System is the one-stop solution to meet all your home security needs. In just seconds, you can install it anywhere, whether here or there. Arm and disarm in an instant for complete protection of your home. For 180 days between charges. And when a burglar comes along, you'll be the first to know, wherever you are. What's more, Eufy Security offers a whole ecosystem of smart home security products to protect you, your home, and your privacy. With local storage featuring military-grade encryption, no monthly fees, and customized protection modes. Because not every intruder is a stranger.
Hey, why are you here?
Hey, Dad.
A home burglary occurs every 15 seconds in the U.S.
It's just a sensor.
And most take place when you're not there.
You guys lost?
Oh, this is Mike's place? Mike's place?
No, it's not. You need to leave.
Introducing Spotlight Cam by Ring, a motion-activated security light with an HD camera, automated recording, and two-way talk that keeps you safe and protects your home. Bright enough to light up your yard. 270 degrees of advanced motion detection. Smart alerts to your phone, so you always know what's going on.
Hey guys!
Hey Mom! Hey Mrs. Roberts!
Promise me you'll do your homework, okay?
Day or night, protecting your home has never been easier. Spotlight Cam by Ring. Security for every corner of your home.
Introducing the new August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. It automatically locks as you leave and unlocks as you arrive. It gives you the power to unlock your door from wherever you are, or for whoever needs access to your home. The app gives you the comfort of knowing what's happening at your door. It works with your existing deadbolt and the technology you already own.
Hey Siri, is the door locked?
Your front door is locked.
A smarter way to a secure home.
Meet Nest Protect. It's designed with advanced technology to sense smoke and carbon monoxide. Can give you an early warning before an alarm.
Heads up, there's smoke in the kitchen.
And if you know everything's okay, you don't have to run around trying to quiet it down. Just hush it from your phone.
Smoke alarm silenced.
Nest Protect tells you where the danger is, so you know what to do and where to go.
Emergency. There's carbon monoxide in the living room. Move to fresh air.
And it can send an alert, so you know what's going on, even if you're not home.
The carbon monoxide alarm is over.
At night, it lights your way and shows you it's tested its batteries and everything's okay. So everyone can sleep safe and sound. Nest Protect.
A lot happens at your front door. With a Ring Video Doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor.
Hi Shelly, you home?
You know what? I'm at the store. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Hello?
Oh, hey, thought I missed you. Got a couple packages for you.
Oh, great. Can you put it around back, please?
Anytime, from anywhere, Ring keeps you connected to the things that matter most.
Hi Mom!
Hey, you guys. Text me what you want for dinner.
Okay.
Home security starts at your front door. The Ring Video Doorbell features HD video, two-way talk, and customizable motion detection, which alerts you when anyone steps onto your property.
Hi there. What can I do for you?
Is this 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
Sorry.
Ring puts home security in your hands and makes it easy to watch over your property. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home.